Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to convert from MBR to GPT without losing data. First, you'll need to right-click on Start and select Disk Management. Here's Disk Management. Now figure out which disk we need. I have disk 1 and disk 0, disk 1. Right-click on the disk you need. Click Properties, then Volumes, yes, Volumes. And here, as you can see, I already have GPT, but you might have MBR here, so remember disk 0. This specific one, yes. You can also check your other disks. I have 2 here, maybe disk 1 too. After that, go to Start and type in the command line. CMD. Let's go and open it. Next, enter these 2 commands one by one, replacing ID with your disk number, in my case 0. Yes, so we select the first, then the second. This is how you enter these commands into the command line and press enter. There you go, yes. And then after it, we enter the second command. So I select it, yes, copy and paste, and then I press enter. After that, you need to restart your computer and get into BIOS. To do this, we need to click on Start, click on Settings, Windows Update. Here are additional options. Click on Recovery and then click Advanced Startup. And click Restart Now. And click Restart Now. Next, we need to click Troubleshooting Advanced Options. And here we click UEFI Firmware Settings. So click Restart. And now we're directly in the BIOS. Here we need boot. For me, it's automatically set here, but you need to find the UEFI settings and switch to boot using UEFI. Here, unfortunately, I have a newer motherboard, so it's not shown like this, but there's no such setting here. But in general, you will have it. So you'll need to switch to UEFI and then start the computer. Well, by pressing escape and clicking yes, your computer will start, that's all. This was everyone, bye.